Over the past year, the 18 teens on Snap's inaugural Council for Digital Wellbeing have shared invaluable insights on the state of online life today. This group of driven, kind, and creative young people want to make an impact in the world, and they have become advocates for online safety and digital well-being in their local communities and beyond. We concluded our pilot program with the Capstone event in Washington, D.C., where the council members led discussions on a range of safety topics like sextortion and the stigma surrounding reporting.
We all came together, created a really tight-knit community, and we could see that through the event today, where everyone was supporting each other.
I think education for teens online is extremely important, given that we're the first generation to grow up in a fully digitally immersed world.
For me, it was very interesting how transparent Snapchat was with all of us. It gave me a better understanding of the huge amount of effort that you are putting into safety.
I think a lot more before I do anything online because I've learned a lot more about my digital footprint.
My favorite part was obviously the people that you get to meet. I mean, when you have, ambitious, creative, kind, like-minded people in the same room as you, it's like an energy that you can't find anywhere else.
Seeing all these young leaders has been super empowering for me, and I'm super optimistic about the future because I know that we all have visions about what we want to see in the world, and I just can't wait to see how we bring them to life.
The day emphasized why it's so important to incorporate young people's voices into these conversations, and we can't wait to see how these teens continue to contribute to a positive online ecosystem for us all.